Quand on m'a parlé du GR20 pour la première fois, j'ai pas tout compris. Il y avait beaucoup de chiffres un peu abstraits. Genre 180 km de marche, 11 000 mètres de dénivelé. Au final, je crois que le seul truc que j'ai retenu, c'est que ça se passe en Corse. Mais l'histoire elle commence pas en Corse. Bah ouais, c'est pas l'épisode 0 pour rien aussi. En fait, l'histoire elle commence bien plus tôt que ça. En Normandie. Et là, en tout petit sur la carte, c'est Alençon. Une ville paumée au milieu des champs. Et moi, bah... je suis là. Salut, je m'appelle Dorian, j'ai 20 ans. Et le 1er août 2024, je pars traverser la Corse par le sentier de grande randonnée numéro 20, le GR20. Pour remettre les choses dans leur contexte, quand l'année dernière mon pote a lâché ce message dans le groupe Snap, j'avais aucune idée de quoi ça causait. Alors, comme n'importe qui, j'ai fait mes recherches. Après avoir dit oui. Ok, du coup, pour ceux qui connaissent pas le GR20, voici le CV du bonhomme. Une randonnée en Corse de 180 km de long, 11 000 mètres de D+, 16 étapes, sobrement surnommé l'un des sentiers de grande randonnée les plus durs d'Europe. Alors, j'ai jamais fait de rando, et j'ai mes examens dans 3 semaines. Bref, y a du boulot.
You know, I can remember seeing my uncle on his farm, standing in the rain with a smile on his face. My cousins stood on the shelter, laughing. He stuck with me because all he said was, "It's a good day." How many been through a lot? How many connected the dots? How many saw through the lines, the cues? How many calling the shots? How many times has time defined what I love when I could not? How many times will I deny what's mine and blame it on God? It's timing. Incredible shots need lighting, styling. Even a goat needs guidance. No man is an island, but I grew up on two types of violence. One, they'll look in your eye and question your pride and find it. One minimize the minds alike to mindless and call it your claws. Do what you can and do what you can't. Cooking a pan or cooking a pot. You think you're the man, they think that you're not. You think that you're earned, they think that you're lost. They frame you as other, but they can get cropped and paying the price, whatever it costs. At the end of the day, I'll give it to God. At the end of the day, I'll give it to God. At the end of the day, I'll give it to God. At the end of the day, I'll give it to God. Yo! The roads that grew from the block, kids were seen as a stock. No early investments, tried and tested, a place where everyone mocks. Examine the world from the bottom and maybe you'll see what the meaning is lost. The cost? Idea of love, knocking on doors that nobody locks. Yeah. How many been through a lot? How many connected the dots? How many saw for the lines, the cues? How many calling the shots? How many times has time defined what I love when I could not? How many times will I deny what's mine and blame it on God? Things changing with the tick of the clock. We're lifting it up. We're bringing the crops with patience. Water the soil with a pot that's makeshift. They put rope in a knot, then blame it. We put hope in a box, then claim it. Trickling down, but not like Reagan. But yeah, at the end of the day, I'll give it to God. At the end of the day, I'll give it to God. At the end of the day, I'll give it to God. At the end of the day, I'll give it to God. Yo! It's a good day.